Hello, I'm gonna make a very quick guide on how to change a spring in an electric rifle with a quick spring change. So the first thing you're gonna do is extend the stock. You want to keep extending the stock, and then you actually want to pull it off like that. Once you've done that, you're gonna need a screwdriver to screw out the cap right here. Screw it out and pull off this cap. And then don't lose the screw. I'm gonna put it over here with the screwdriver. Now, you can't see this, but you might be able to see actually. No, but there is a screw in here. You need to screw that out as well. To do this, you're gonna need a long flathead screwdriver. Might be a little bit tricky to hit the screw, but once you hit it, just turn it counterclockwise until this entire stock gets off, like this. And this comes right off. So now, you can see there's like this little thing here. You can notice you can actually like press it in. It's because it's right under here that the spring actually sits. And now you're gonna need a hex key. I think it's size 12. Okay, actually this one's too small. Yep, that works. And just turn it, pull out the spring like this. You can pull out the spring here. I don't want to change the spring right now, so I'm just gonna put it back in. And now you want to press it and then turn it. Press it in, turn it a quarter of the way around. Make sure it sits nicely in there. It sits correctly. Now you're gonna do the whole process the other way around, basically. So touch it here. Get a screwdriver. Just gonna do it like this. Just screw it in. Don't overscrew it. Just screw it just enough that you start to feel some resistance, and just screw it a little bit more after you start feeling a lot of resistance. And make sure that it sits there nicely. Just no reason to overscrew it. Might destroy some parts. That screw is not the worst screw you can overscrew. There's other screws that you have to be more careful with, but generally you don't want to overscrew things when you're messing with computer parts or airsoft guns, stuff like that. Place the screw in and try not to be as bad as I am at doing this. I don't know why it's so tricky for me. Just screw it in. Very quick and easy. Don't screw this too much either. Put the stock on. Press in on this like stock release thing. Mine is a little bit broken, so that's why I'm pulling and not pressing. Usually you don't want to press this like stock release right here. So as you can see here, mine's just a screw because this whole like thing here fell off when I was playing the game. pull it out and get them stuck right on, just like that. And now you have successfully replaced the spring. And that's all I have.